Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today I just wanted to show you what I got what I got from Santa. Yes, you hear this. We're saying it's allergies because my eyes were crusty. Because I spent all day yesterday, over 12 hours, scrubbing every inch of the downstairs. I had my son help me with the upstairs the day before, and that took us a few hours. Downstairs is a bit more square footage, like open areas. And the cat hair just gets everywhere, and I'm allergic to cats. And so taking down everything, dusting everything, vacuuming and mopping, and things just, it's not good. So we're going with allergies. I have some nice warm coffee. To open everything up, and I'm eating a piece of peanut butter toast because I don't usually eat in the morning, and I took my vitamins, and if I don't eat something, it's not good. All right, so sorry if I cough. The main reason why I wanted to create this really quick video, A, so y'all could have something on Monday, and B, I forgot to show you what Santa brought me clothes-wise. Okay, great. So, he brought me some brown corduroy pants, size 6, straight leg. I usually don't do straight leg because it's very frumpy at the bottom and doesn't really look good on short folk, but I figure I can have boots on under or over, and that'll hide that. Then he brought me a new pair of light wash denim because mine have this, I think it's toner from work, and so he brought me those, and these are skinny leg, but down at the bottom it's more relaxed, so it still does that little ruffle. It's fine. We're fine. Everything is fine. We're not sure about this, but everything else is fine. And then he brought me this. And so I had this on and these jeans on yesterday when I started cleaning in the morning. And by noon, we were in shorts and a t-shirt. It was way too hot to be cleaning. Now, today I'm going over to my friend Jenna's to have a craft day. So I want to gather up all of my dies that Santa brought and take those over there and play with them. And then Wednesday's video, I'll come back and show you what I made or what we did. And then Friday's video will be a cash stuffing prep where we figure out what we have left after bills, and then it goes into cash stuffing. And then Saturday we will have actually Saturday we're going to have my Valentine's swap will be revealed that I sent in. Here's the funny story. Oh, we got a funny story. So I had to get the address for Alyssa or crafting, Coop's Place Crafting off of the description. Well, on my phone it wouldn't move, right? I don't know. I'm just having a hard time. So, you know, I'm trying to get it to move, and it finally moved, and I saw the address, and I'm like, oh, finally. So I addressed it to Alyssa, and I put the address on it, and I took it to the post office, and then for some reason, I was double checking it, and so I addressed it to Alyssa, and then I sent it to Coop's Place Crafts. Such a problem, such a problem. I don't know if it really matters, but that's what I did. So I messaged both of them and said, oops, I messed up, sorry. Let me know if I need to do anything to rectify it. And I haven't checked my messages because yesterday I was cleaning, and we don't have the phone near us when we're cleaning. We get obsessive. So that will be done that day, and then Sunday, I don't know, you know what, Friday I could do the prep and the stuffing because I don't work on Friday, so we may just do that. Saturday will be the swap, and then Sunday we'll do planning for my first week back at work. Will I make it? Is this just allergies? We don't know. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just wanted to pop on, let you see my face, say hi. I love you all, and I hope you have a very wonderful New Year. I will see you again on Wednesday. If you haven't, hit subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.